Thanks for joining me today. I wanted to talk about the importance of medical terminology in the career path you've chosen, how medical terminology affects patient care, and exactly how medical terminology will help you in a medical coding profession. Imagine working in a world where everyone speaks another language. You could assume that it would make day-to-day activities very difficult, if not almost impossible. This is the world of medical terminology. Having a firm grasp of medical terminology is vital to proper communication with other healthcare professionals. Medical terminology is a language all on its own, using root words with prefixes and suffixes that are Greek or Latin in origin. When you can speak the standardized language of medicine, you can improve a patient's safety by reducing the number of mistakes. For instance, if a physician knows his patient's full medical history, including procedures or prior conditions, it helps that physician prescribe a safe, effective treatment for that patient. If someone confuses the terminology, putting the wrong condition or procedure into the chart, this can make a huge difference in the care the patient receives. Treatment may be less effective or in some cases dangerous. When all members of the team know medical terminology, the team can also help the patient learn what those terms mean. When a patient becomes engaged in their own health, they and their families can become more active in the care of the patient, leading to improved satisfaction and reducing the amount of times a patient needs to be hospitalized. Knowing medical terminology can also help you avoid making coding or billing mistakes that a patient may have to call to correct. This can improve a patient's willingness to seek medical care in the future. Healthcare professionals may see dozens of patients each day. To provide more efficient care, physicians or nurses often use medical abbreviations. All of the members of the patient's team should be able to understand these abbreviations and terms to provide the best care to the patient. Professional medical billers have mastered the language of medical code, but this is not just any language or code used for computer data entry. This code is based on the language of medicine. Medical billers and medical coders need to be comfortable using and understanding medical terms in order to apply the correct codes to describe service delivered to the patients. Medical language is precise. Each of the specialized words have a specific meaning so that healthcare providers can communicate their exact observations and prescriptions. The definition of each code are written for the trained professionals rather than for lay people. It is expected that the people who use medical code fully understand the foundations on which the codes are based. In conclusion, the profession of medical billing and coding plays a vital role in healthcare. There are men and women behind the curtains ensuring patients and physicians alike are able to give and receive the care they need to live a long and healthy life. Thank you for taking time to watch my video. I've enjoyed learning from each one of my classmates and wish you great success in your future in healthcare.